channel. Today is Thursday, and today we are launching our second Auntie Tay box, which is our July box, and I'm super excited for it. It has a whole array of different types of things in it. We did not just stick to HTV this month, so I'm super excited to share it with you. It is back to school themed, but don't let that make you think that you can only use it for back to school projects. It's just what inspired me this month, and so that's what I went with. So it's $39.99. If you're a patron, you got free shipping with your code that was released 24 hours before this. So jump on that bandwagon if you want to be in on the scoop before it even happens for next month's box, or next box, I should say. With that, let's talk about what is in the Auntie Tay box. You're gonna notice that the box is a little bit different on the outside. We are gonna be playing with different designs as the months come out so that we can try to figure out exactly how we like the box, or we kind of like changing it up a bit too. So let us know what box you liked better out of this one or last one, the packaging on the outside. Okay, so inside of the box, you're going to be getting 12 products, and I handpicked each one of these products because they are products that I love and they are colors that I love, and I think that they are a great starter pack for anybody because you're gonna get a whole array of the great colors that are needed when making any type of project. What I wanted when this box opened was you guys to be inspired by color crayons and chalkboards. And I also wanted to keep that element of different categories of different things in there. So we've got iron-on, we've got vinyl, we've got glitter iron-on, we've got transfer tape, and we've got some holographic iron-on as well. So let me tell you about all the products that are in this box, and then decide if you want to buy it. I will let you know that we did do a limited supply of this box, and we will not be releasing this box again. So once it's sold out, it is probably going to be sold out for a while. Already thinking about the next box that's coming out. So get your hands on this one if you think that this is a good fit for you. To start, I wanted to do a couple of pieces of vinyl in this, but instead of just regular black and white vinyl, I did black chalkboard vinyl, which you're going to get a 12 by 24 inch roll of chalkboard vinyl. And then you'll also get white vinyl, regular white vinyl, and you'll get 12 by 24 inches of that. So I couldn't include vinyls without including transfer tape, so you'll also get 12 by 24 inches of transfer tape. It is the transfer tape that we tried out in my last video, my last live video, and I will be sharing it with you guys a little bit more. It's kind of a masking tape material, and it's a really awesome transfer tape. It works amazing, and I am in love with it, so I was super excited to put that in the box for you guys this month as well. Okay, so you've got your 2 vinyl products and your transfer tape. Moving into the colors, everything that is a color in the box is going to be HTV iron-on. So reminder that the black and the white are vinyls, they're for hard surfaces, and then the rest are going to need heat, so they're iron-on. But they're all different types in there. So with the red, we just stuck with regular Easy Weed red iron-on. I know you guys love this stuff. I love this stuff. I use it for a lot, and it's that bright red. It was actually in last month's box, and everybody really loved it. It's not cherry red, it's like a bright red. And then the orange is actually going to be a neon orange glitter iron-on. And yellow, I know you guys really loved the yellow we put in last month's box, so I just stuck with regular Easy Weed yellow. It's a great staple color to have, and so you're gonna get 12 by 12 inches of yellow. Green, so with the greens, I decided I wanted to do a glitter green and a regular green. I know that green is used in florals, is used in a lot of different things, and it's really good to have. Okay, so for blue, I threw in a Tiffany blue, which is one of my favorite colors, and then a royal blue, which is very needed for a lot of different designs. You can pair it with your whites and your reds to make red, white, and blue. It's a great blue. It's a very vibrant royal blue. The 12 by 12 of the Tiffany and 12 by 12 of the royal. Then we've got purple. And this month I wanted to make the purple the holographic purple. We did the blue last month. This month we're gonna do purple. And I just wanted to see how it worked, and I think it turned out beautiful and amazing, and I love it. So you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of the purple holographic. It's a nice big long roll. But remember, if you buy this box, to cut on the notch. If you have the Explore series, the notch right before bonded fabric is what you want to use. You do not want to use the holographic setting on your Cricut because it does not cut the right depth. So the notch right before that, or fabric with the maker. Okay, and then pink. I needed to throw in a pink because Box of Color Crayons actually has pink in it. So I wanted to make sure I did pink, but of course I wanted to do glitter iron-on pink. So you're gonna get a 10 by 12 of this really pretty hot pink color. It's great for summer, it's great for projects for back to school, it's great for little kids, it's great for you if you love pink, and all of that good stuff. And so if you guys liked this box, let me know in the comments if you guys wanna see boxes similar to this or different styles of boxes or different things. We've got some ideas on other things we're gonna put in the box as well, not just Cricut products soon. And we're hoping to come out with these at least once a month, and we're really excited for this, and I hope you guys are just as excited as we are. So look for these videos on Thursdays. Patrons will get the alert 24 hours no matter what before, and they also get free shipping. So if you missed this video and you're a patron, make sure to go watch that video. It has your coupon code in it and all of that good stuff. So I love you guys. Bye.